Honorable sisters, brothers, and friends, it has been a long day, and I wanted to be ready and prepare for celebration of the Mass Sunday. It starts Saturday into Sunday, but early. However, I said, well, I didn't attend, but I'll have Preacher Doc True's number 5C, I believe, and mention that it's better to, if there is an error, in the positive direction, because I can sure use every prayer I can possibly say by I and anyone else. And then I want to include where I honor and mention that, and you certainly, I think, should, in the sermon, for the beauty of girls, any age, but I'm thinking of mature girls, of course, as they become, especially if they want to, and can be mothers. And I think the good Lord has a way that if a woman wanted to be a mother, she can in paradise, certainly by adoption. That's my opinion. And then what I want to mention is I don't think I was as bad as this risque. This was before I was maybe, say, main interest and challenges, discipline of theology and Preacher Doc. Risque joke of this book writer. He said, Jay, right now there's a fad. If you write about a nudist company, it sells. So I know he's, I'll try. He wrote a book about a nudist colony, and it was a good seller. And so the nudist colony that appears he wrote about invited him there as their guest. So he gets there in his limousine, his tux, and he says, well, I book promotion and I'll autograph the books, but he's going to give his speech, and he's pacing in his room, and he says, well, okay. He takes the office clothes, and he says, well, wrote about nudists. He says, be one of them. And I'm late, and he rushes down the stairs, and he gets there, and he looks, and he's in a nude, but they all are in practically formal dress in honor of him. Oh, just a minute. He rushes upstairs, and they said to themselves, so he says, well, there's only one to do. He puts on all his bow tie and all his tuxedo and everything. Well, now I'm really late. He rushes down there, and he goes to speak, and he looks, and now he's in formal, and they all are in the nude. So I don't think I was that bad about trying to rush as far as saying, making sure I say my prayers and hoping God hears my prayers. Now, and then thinking in a mature manner, I plan to at least walk through the great songs by the great male singers, and especially Ezio Pinza, because I'm Italian descent. My name is also Spanish, and the Italian language is the language I prefer, and they kind of have a little lower note and kind of roll their R's. And so he has, I think, a real good singing voice. And I was researching about songs and singers, and Ezio Pinza showed up on the screen. He's singing to Lana Turner. Now, Lana Turner is what I was talking about, is the #1 of what Hollywood obtains as far as being photogenic. And he sings to her, though, in Castellano. That's supposed to be the royal Spanish, or the not royal Spanish. It's the verbs are in Castellano, the real way you say the language. Now, it's a great, I think it's called rendition. Great voice and singing. And then I was thinking that if I could harmonize with Connie Francis, or it's Deanna Durbin singing Ave Maria. Really great. Deanna Durbin. The way Deanna Durbin sings Ave Maria. And the other good singers, in my opinion, there's Lily Pons, Jeanette MacDonald, and then there's Giselle McKenzie, and of course Connie Francis, popular singer, and of course Deanna Durbin, and Judy Garland. Absolutely, Dinah Shore, just about sing any song, really good. So I'm going to, I think music is the highest form of vocal presentation. That's my opinion. I'm going to give it a try. So I thought I'd make this 5C video and say, planning to do certainly in a real good manner to honor beauty. That's, of course, girls. They, in my opinion, they're beauty by nature. So have fun, beautiful girls. Oh, beautiful girls, walk a little slower when you walk by me. Like a green sunset, ha-da-da-da-dee-dee, ah-da-dee-dee. I'll try that line out in that first. Beautiful girls, walk a little slower when you walk by me. Have fun.